Ghosty! You're coming! Hello! Welcome!
Hamish! How are you, my friend?
I'm very well, thank you.
Great to see you, Hamish.
Great to see you too, Ghosty. And who is this?
This is Jim, my friend.
Hello, Jim. Welcome to Shin Castle.
Hello, Hamish. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Jim.
I've got a present for you.
And sweets.
Great! Thank you, my friends. Please, take a plate.
Look at the table. Look at the beautiful crumble.
And look at the cakes and the sandwiches.
What about a drink, my friends?
Yes, please.
What about a glass of lemonade, Coke, apple juice, or a cup of tea?
Lemonade, please.
Coke, please, Hamish.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Listen to the music. Come on, let's dance.